Yeah. So when I click on the link which I shared you in the chat, this will take me to the page where you can log into the Power Apps. Just click on that link. Initially, it will ask you for the username and password. Okay. Using that username and password, just log into the Power Apps account. Since it's my account is already logged in, it is showing like this. Yeah. So this is the homepage of your Power Apps. If any one of you can share your screen, I can guide you how to log in. If at all it's not working for you. Anybody want to share the screen? Yeah. Okay. So just click on the link which I shared in the chat.
It's not showing.
You cannot see the chat there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Just go on top of the screen where
Yeah, ma'am. I have.
got it. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Provide your email ID, which I have shared with you.
Okay.
Before at the rate after GC 1109
Okay.
24 at the rate SAAG Technologies .on Microsoft.com. Yeah. Click on next. Yeah, the password. చెప్పాలా అండి? Yeah. So you can reset your password here. Passwords do not match. No hurry, take your time.
ఇలానే వస్తుంది.
Okay. Okay, I suggest one password.
Yeah, ma'am.
Try with capital P,
Okay.
Power Apps, OWER, APPS, 1234 dollar.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, try the same.
And after Power Apps,
One,
one,
two,
two.
three, four
Okay, dollar.
dollar. Yeah. Yeah. So here, this is asking for the authenticator application. So until 14 days, you don't need any Microsoft Authenticator to log into your account. But after 14 days, you need to install the Authenticator app in your mobile.
Okay.
And whenever you log in, it will pop up with the number, one authenticator number. The same number you have to enter in your authenticator.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Will allow.
Just click on the next. Let's do it now itself.
Yeah, ma'am.
Click on next. Next. Now, in your mobile, do you have Microsoft Authenticator already installed?
Ma'am, I need to install, ma'am.
Okay. So what you do is just open your
Google Lens.
yeah, either Google Lens or the Play Store, whichever is feasible for you. Type the Microsoft Authenticator.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's showing two apps, ma'am.
The one with the blue color lock symbol will be there.
Blue color lock.
Yeah, blue color lock, and in between that lock, one, you know, the
One face looking like that.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, I installed, ma'am.
Install, right? So in the
Yeah.
top, there is a plus button beside the authenticator. Can you see plus and search symbols are there?
While opening up, ma'am.
Yeah.
After
After you open the app,
yeah, ma'am, it's showing scan QR code.
yes, when you click on the plus icon, you will get the personal account, work or school account, and other account as well.
Okay.
Did you get that?
Ma'am.
Okay. Let me share you some screenshots.
Yeah, account added successfully. Yeah, ma'am. I got plus
Okay.
symbol, search symbol.
Yes. Click on next on this laptop on your browser.
Yeah, ma'am.
The
I did.
24 number you have to type in your mobile authenticator application.
And yes, ma'am.
Yes and yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Click on next. So now your authenticator is approved.
Yeah, okay.
So click on done. So whenever you log in, when you log out and log in again, then it will ask you for the
Okay.
signed in. Yes. It will ask you for the authenticator to approve the number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the process to log into your Power Apps account.
Okay.
Okay, and now what is wrong here? Click on go to homepage.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So this is your homepage. From here, you can integrate your same ID with Power Automate or SharePoint or even with Power BI. If you
Okay.
see the top left corner, there is a Power Apps. Beside that Power Apps,
Yeah, ma'am.
yeah, click on that app launcher.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll see Power Automate, Power Pages, and
Power
more
apps.
apps also. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Under the more apps, you will see SharePoint and remaining other applications. So from here, you can directly switch to your whatever the tool you wanted to work on.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, right. You can click on the all apps to see all the applications there. Okay, fine.
More
So
apps, ma'am.
yeah, more apps.
Yeah. Yeah,
And
ma'am. It came like
uh,
this.
right side,
All
top right
apps.
side, all apps is there. Yeah, click on that all apps. You should see SharePoint as well.
It's not coming.
No, it's not. There is a app launcher again there, right? Top left
Oh.
beside the Copilot. Yeah, click on that.
Yeah, ma'am.
Uh,
More apps.
search there, SharePoint. It's not showing. Click on all apps there. Okay, I guess some licenses issue is there. I will figure out this one. So you can until that you can use the Power Apps page itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. I need to stop screen, ma'am.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Thank you. Did anybody facing any issues to log in?
Yes, ma'am, I'm facing an issue.
You can share your screen if you want.
Yes. This is the problem.
You'll need to sign up first. Okay, have you clicked on the link which I shared in the chat?
Yes, ma'am. I'm clicking on that link.
Mm, Okay, go to in the website, remove the error. I mean, after error, remove everything. Just
Yes,
keep
ma'am.
make.powerapps.com.
I tried that also.
Is it not working?
No, ma'am. It's again getting back to that error.
Okay, you may sign up for a free license. It's already added. Did you change to your password?
No, not yet.
Okay, let me try out. It's working for me, Kushal. Let me share my screen.
I'll stop.
Yeah, can you see?
Yes, ma'am. I have able to.
Okay, so this is your current password, and I'll just change this password. This needs the authenticator to be installed in your mobile. So you can do it later as well. So I'll just click on the ask later. Stay signed in. This is your home page. Just share this with you. Try using this link and the password. That is your new password. Try with this. Let's see if it will work. And also try it in the incognito mode rather than the same browser.
I will try to.
Okay. What about the other people? Are you able to log in successfully?
Madam, it's asking sign in, madam, for me.
Can you share your screen? Are you sharing the screen? Okay. Remaining people, are you able to log in? Facing any
Madam,
challenges?
you are able to see my screen?
No. I don't think you shared the screen. Are you not able to share? Okay, fine. If everybody logged in into the Power Apps, I'll just take you through the home page once again so that as an assignment for today, you can start exploring each and every option in the Power Apps. Okay. Yeah.
Hello,
Yes.
I am sharing the screen. You are able to see?
No. Not able to see your screen.
I have shared already.
Can you try now?
In my appear on top, I need to select as a Microsoft 365 Office, madam,
For what?
for sharing the screen. My
No.
mobile, I am logging through mobile.
Oh, you logged in through mobile. Then so you're trying to log in to the Power Apps in mobile itself.
Yeah, I'm trying to log in Power Apps in mobile, but it's asking sign in.
Sign in. I have shared you the username and password, right?
Yeah,
Use that username and password.
for sign in perspective.
Yes, yes.
Here it's asking email and sign in password.
Correct. I shared you in the Zoom chat. I have shared you your user ID and the password.
Yeah.
Use that user ID and password. Just click on the sign in. It will ask you to change the password.
Okay.
Change your password and it will take you to the home page of your Power Apps.
Okay.
Okay. Then if needed, you can okay. If needed, you can install the authenticator and sync with the Microsoft Authenticator to your account, or else you can do it after 14 days also. Just skip for now and do it after 14 days.
Okay.
Okay. If you're still facing any problem, then whenever you connect it to your browser, I mean into your laptop, then we can connect and solve the issue. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Thank you.
Mhm.
Kushal, it's working. Thank you, Kushal. Then, so whoever is logged into your Power App successfully, I'll just take you through the application with all the options. As an assignment for today, explore all the options, whatever are there when you are creating the application. Okay, so we are on the home page now. So if I wanted to create, we are going to start with the Canvas applications. Okay, and we also learned that there are 3 different types of applications we can develop using Power Apps. One is Canvas application, another one is model driven application, and the Power Pages. So we are going to work, or we are going to learn only about the Canvas apps and the model driven applications. So initially we'll start with the Canvas applications itself. Okay, so when you want to create a Canvas application, in the home page, you will see create option here. In your left side navigation bar, click on that create and start with a blank application. Or else you can even start with your templates as well. But initially, to explore all the options, I suggest you to start with the blank application itself. Click on the blank application, choose the blank Canvas app. Since we are going to create a Canvas application, choose the blank Canvas up here, click on the create. This will ask you for the application name of your application, whichever you're going to work on. For example, I wanted to work on the calorie tracker application. Okay, and this is the name of my application, and below you'll see the format type, tablet and the phone. So what are these means is, if you choose the tablet format, the screen will be wider as per the tablet size. The whatever the size of the tablet will be there, so in that size itself you will see the format of the tablet. If you choose the phone, the pages or the screens, whichever you're going to develop, will be in the size of the phone. That will be like a smaller in width, right? Smaller in width and little wider, I mean, little wider in the height, right? This is like a phone will be in vertically more dimensional, and tablet will be like a horizontally more dimensional. So if you want to see with the bigger width, go with the tablet. If you want to see with the larger height or bigger height, then you need to go with the phone. So by default, it will be with the tablet format itself. Okay, don't worry, I will explain you all this again. Just for your exploring purpose, I'm telling you. Give the application name and the format is tablet. Click on create. This will take you to your Canvas page with all the screens you can add. So this is the Canvas page, and this is a initial creation of your, I mean, this will take you through the, all the building apps of your Power Apps. This is a kind of a studio where you can create a form or create a table or create application. Everything can be done using the Canvas application. So this is a welcome screen, and if you want to start using the form, you can click on the create a form, or you can start with the gallery also, or if you want, you can skip as well. So I'll just check in this, don't show me this again, and skip this so that the welcome screen message will not pop up every time you logged in. Now, this is your blank canvas page where you can start customizing your application. So here you can do whatever the actions you wanted to put it in your application. For example, since the app name is a calorie tracker, I wanted to fill the background image with something related to the calories. So there are pre-built images as well by the Microsoft. So you can even choose from the stock images. Stock images are nothing but the pre-built images by the Microsoft. Or you can even upload the image from your computer. So for now, I'm just going with the stock images. Choose the stock images. You'll see all the images here related to designs, ideas, freedom, chemistry, transportation, science, road. So many images you'll find it here based on the category. So I'm going to choose with the calorie. So I can even search here. There is nothing related to calorie here. So I'll go with the challenge. Yeah. So I wanted to choose this image for my page background. Insert, choose the image, click on insert. So that will be appear on your blank canvas page. Now you can see the sites with empty white spaces. You can, if you want to fill them, click on the image position here and use fill. This will fill your entire page without any white spaces. Okay, this way you can insert any background images. On top of this, if you wanted to add any text, so we have discussed yesterday that we have lots of building blocks of Power Apps, right? Yeah, if you can see my screen. Yeah, so these are the building blocks of Power Apps. Where are these exist? First, we'll see with the controls. So, sorry, we'll see with the screens. So these are the screens. Screens are nothing but the pages, right? We discussed yesterday that screens are nothing but the individual pages of your application. For example, one application may contain 4 pages, or one may contain 2 pages. Sign in to log into some application. Sign in application will only contain 2 pages, right? One is a welcome screen, another one is a login page. So those pages can be created under the screens. So you can see the new screen here. First, by default, there will be the screen one. And if you wanted to add any other screen, just click on this. And you'll see the templates of the screens again. You can go with the blank screen or with the split screen. Split screen is nothing but the screen will be divided into 2 pages. These are all the different layouts of the screen. Okay, so I suggest you to explore these layouts as well. Just add on new screens and add with multiple layouts and see what it is changing. What is the difference between one layout to another layout? Okay, explore these options as well. So if I wanted to choose the blank screen, choose this blank screen and the new screen will be created automatically. So these are all comes under the building blocks of the Power Apps, right? Next one is a control. Controls are a major building blocks of the Power Apps. What are controls? If you can see this insert drop down, click on this insert. So these are all the controls of the Power Apps. These are all UI elements which are very useful for your development of your application. Correct? For example, to create the sign-in page, you need a user to input the username and also input the password. So for that, you need some input boxes, right? Where a user can enter some values. For that, you can go with the input control. This is an input control. You can put a text input here. So this is your text input where user can enter the username. And you can add another text input for the password. So these are the 2 different input controls, right? And so let's say you have created a login page and you just made the page something like this. There is no title for this, any of the boxes. How can user be identified what to enter in which box? Correct. Let's say there is no username title and the password title for these boxes, right? So I can even mislead the data, right? So in the password box, I can enter the username, and in the username box, I can enter the password. There are chances, correct? So to avoid that mistake, what we can do is we can create a text uh, beside the control. We can provide a title of this text, what this text is going to be. Correct. For that, what we can do is we have another control, which is a text label. This is another type of a control where you can provide title of this, which I can say username. So that means user will be easily identified that in this box we need to enter the username, and I can provide another text label to identify the password, right? So this is another type of a input control. So these are all the controls which we are going to use in our development. So we have input controls, display controls. Display controls are nothing but forms or text labels or even HTML text as well. Whichever I have showed you here, the username and the password. This is been created using the text label itself. And the layouts, we have galleries where you can show the data from the data source to the end user or your stakeholder. So this is the galleries where you can provide, the user can see whatever the data is coming from the data source. And we have different types of layouts again. One is a vertical gallery, horizontal gallery, and based on the requirement, we are going to choose whichever layout it's needed there. And the other one is a media. If we want to add any audio controls to your application, you can use the media control, audio or video or barcode reader, then any images or voice messages. So these are all can be comes under the media control. So we have different types of controls. One is input control, display control, layout, media control, icons, shapes, charts, AI builder, mixed reality. So these are all the different types of controls we are going to use. But in real life, I mean, here in real time also, we are not using all these layouts or all these controls in our application. Only few of them are very frequently used, and those are the controls we are going to discuss in upcoming classes as well. Okay, now this is another assignment for you. Just explore different types of input controls we are having. These are input controls. Explore only the input controls. Don't go for any other control. Just explore the input controls alone. We have button, text input, pen input, drop down, combo box, date picker, list box, checkbox, radio buttons, toggle, slider, ratings, timer, forms. So these are all the different types of input controls. These are all very frequently used input controls. So just explore all these things before coming to next class. Okay, so for your assignment for today is explore the different types of screens here, screen layouts, and also explore the input controls alone under the insert button. Okay, fine. Clear, everyone? Okay, fine. So this, if you wanted, the record will be sharing with you by tomorrow, I guess, tomorrow morning or sometime. You can go through again the recording and then explore all these things. You can just type in Google, it will give you the information on everything. Okay, I am not asking you to learn everything and come for tomorrow. Just explore whatever the options are there. Just explore that so that whenever I'm telling you, it will be easy for you to relate, right? Fine. Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow, same time. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. If you're facing any challenges with the user accounts, please let me know. We can clarify them in the class itself.